This is not financial advice. Dreamers, Netflix is down 33% from their all-time highs, and this is what we've been waiting on. They already had their stock split that I told you guys about not too long ago, and I told you that I was gonna let you know on this channel. So hopefully you hit that subscribe button, because I told you guys I was gonna let you know on this channel when I plan to enter my entries on Netflix. And what if I told you in this video I'm planning on making thousands and thousands of dollars from Netflix without owning a single share? Now, I already own shares of Netflix, and I want to get Netflix at the absolute best price. If I can't get it at the best price, then I'm not paying money for Netflix. I have to get Netflix at the best price possible, not a decent price, not a fair value price. I need to get Netflix at the best price possible, because the name of investing is to buy low and sell high, not buy at a decent price and sell at a decent price. The name of the game is to buy low and sell high. That's how you maximize your returns, as long as your reward outweigh your risk. And right now the risk to reward ratio is pretty doggone good. And I've been following Netflix for a while. Like, guys, my entries on Netflix has been killer. Right now I'm up 173% on Netflix alone, right? I got 200 shares. It's time for me to get more shares of Netflix. But if I can't get Netflix at the best price, then I'm not gonna get Netflix at all. But I'm gonna get paid to not get Netflix at all, and that is the wheel strategy, the whole thing that this channel is built on. If you guys do want to learn more about the wheel strategy, hit subscribe. You guys are killing it right now. 22.5 you has hit that notification bell. Not only did you subscribe, but you hit that notification bell. That means we're better than most YouTube channels out there. Typical on YouTube is 10 to 30%. Right now we're at 22.5%, so we're a little bit above average. We're not the best. If we could get that to 30%, that would be amazing, and you guys are absolutely amazing on this channel. So if you hit that thumbs up, that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, man, that really helps out this channel more than you guys can possibly even imagine. But yeah, enough talking. Let's go ahead and dive straight into these charts. I'm going to show you guys the wheel strategy, which is I having a free trial in my Patreon. If you guys want to learn more about that, that link is going to be down in the pinned comment section. More about that in a second. But here we are on Netflix. This is the 1 hour chart. Let's go ahead and switch it over to the 4 hour chart, because what the plan I'm going to show you guys is some monthly plays on Netflix. So we come from Netflix all the way from the all-time highs of $134, and Netflix right now is currently at what, $91. That is a drop of 32%, almost 33%. At one point they were close to being down 33%, but yeah, they're down 32% from their all-time highs, and they just had their stock split right here. And you know, I like to pick up companies that have stock splits because they usually perform well over the next year. So one thing that I did on Netflix is that I went back and I drew out some support lines. So let's get rid of the Bollinger Bands right quick. I teach about the Bollinger Bands all the time. So we're going to look at our last support zone. So here go a support zone right here on Netflix. It had a hard time breaking above $84, got rejected, broke above $84, and started to use that as a support. Pull back to $84 right here, use it as a support. $84 again, use it as a support. $84 another time, use it as a support. So I drew out the $84 price point as a support line for Netflix. So I see $84 on Netflix being a pretty doggone good price to pick up shares of Netflix at $84. Right now, $92 is a really good price to pick up shares of Netflix. I'm not even gonna fade you, right? But will I be comfortable picking up shares on Netflix at $92? Will I be comfortable? Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. But is it the best? The best is to pick it up at the support line of $84, or a little bit underneath $84, maybe $83. That would be the best entry. So if Netflix continue to fall, how much further can it fall from 83, right? Compared to it being at 92, it could fall all the way down to 83 and even further, right? So what we like to do is pull out the Bollinger Bands right here. And you guys can see that it does meet our criteria to sell cash secure puts. It's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It's oversold on the RSI, and we on the 4 hour chart. So as we're looking for monthly plays on Netflix, let's see if it reaches any of our criteria right here, our risk to reward. If we pull out, if we enter right now, if we was to enter Netflix right now and just buy shares at $91 from its all-time high up to there, right? And let's say we would set a stop loss right below $84. So let's just say 83, 82. Our risk to reward would be a 5 to 1 risk to reward. that is a good risk to reward right there. You're not going to win all of your trades. You can have an A+ setup and still not win your trades, but you always want your reward to outweigh your risk. So if you take 5 of these trades, you will only have to win 1 of them if you have a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio in order to be a profitable trader. So now let's say if we get assigned shares at $84 down here, right? If we get assigned shares at $84, let's go all the way back up to its all-time high right there, and we still have the same stop loss. Our stop loss now would be down here at $75 instead of $83. A stop loss would be at $85, and that is a risk to reward of 6-to-1. I would take a 6-to-1 risk to reward ratio any day of a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that is a decent entry for me, and I will always have a stop loss in case things don't work out in my favor as an option trader. But to help us on our side, we could pick low deltas way out of the money to help us have a higher win rate. So here we are. Let's go over to Netflix. Right now, Netflix is at $91.30. So let's go out a month. So it's January 2nd or something like that. Let's go all the way out to the end of January right here, January 30th. And we're going to be selling a put. This saying that we want to buy shares of Netflix at $84. So we're going to scroll all the way down to $84 right here. And it has a delta of 0.2. So that's really good. 0.3 mean you really want those shares right now. A 0.2 delta mean you have an 80% chance of winning this trade, or really like a 20% chance of getting assigned those shares. So we're going out of months saying that if Netflix don't pull back to $84 by January 30th, the end of the month, that's why this strategy is perfect for full-time people that have full-time jobs, teachers, doctors, lawyers, anybody have full-time jobs. It take an hour out of your day to set up a monthly trade, which is crazy. So we'll hit continue right here, and me, I would probably enter, I'll say 4. I enter four of these trades, and the market price is 141. So for me, in a month, I can make $563 selling cash secure puts on Netflix, and I want to pick up 400 shares of Netflix if it pulls back to 84. If it pulls back to 84, then I'm going to be using this 6-to-1 reward ratio right here, which is really good. If it don't pull back to $84, then I get to keep the premium of $563 or $564. I get to keep that premium and then sell cash secure puts again the following month at $84 until it finally pulls back to $84. And either I get assigned those shares or I don't get assigned those shares, and I collect $564 in premium every single month for the next 12 months. So 564 times 12. So for me, not owning any shares, but wanting to own shares of Netflix, I could generate an extra $6,768 next year in premium alone. Now, if I do get assigned shares of Netflix, let's say I get assigned shares of Netflix at $84, and then Netflix makes an all-time high within the next year or two, that is a profit of a 60% gain in the next year or two. If it takes a year, that's a 60% gain from where I buy it to its all-time high. If it takes 2 years, that's a 30% gain per year from where I buy it to its all-time high. At the rate Netflix is going at, man, they is killing it right now, and I do kind of see them at a fair value. They're buying up every company. They're almost becoming monopolies, which is crazy. Now, that is the bare basics of the wheel strategy. If you guys do want to learn the wheel strategy, there is a 7-day free trial going on right now. I did it once in 2025. This is going to be the only time I do it in 2026. You can sign up and be a part of our Zoom calls every single Sunday. We spend our sessions on Sundays looking for our trades for Monday that will either last a week, or we look for monthly plays that will last a good time. So it frees up a lot of your time if you want to be an option trader other than a day trader. I teach you how to run the wheel strategy, credit spreads, leap options, Portman cover calls, and you have access to all of my modules in there that teach you everything in detail. And you have direct access to me every single time I buy and sell a stock, every single time I enter my leap options. And you have access to my 3 pro day traders in there that post their option trades every single day. So if you do want to have access to the Patreon, I'm also going to leave a 50% off coupon code down in the comment section. So you not only do you get your 7 days free trial, and you could go in there and you could take all my courses and steal all my stuff. If you're going to do that, just hit the thumbs up on this video. I really appreciate you if you hit the thumbs up and hit that notification bell if you're going to just go in there and take all the stuff. But if you guys do want to take the free trial and be a part of the Zoom calls on Sunday, I highly recommend you do that while some spots are remaining. I might have to close some spots. I'm not sure. Right now, it's only 5 spots remaining. Might have to open it up maybe a little bit. It depends. I don't want the Zoom calls to be too packed. I want them to be able to answer everybody's questions. So if you guys do want to check that out, that link is going to be down in the pinned comment section. Oh yeah, if you do want to scan the QR code, that QR code is going to be right here. Now guys, if I do get assigned shares of Netflix, this is where we're going to make the big bucks, right? So I like to use the Bollinger Bands right here. So whenever I see Netflix is overvalued on the RSI, like right here, it's overvalued on the RSI and it's at the top of the Bollinger Bands, I'm going to do something called selling a covered call. And I usually do that on the weekly time frame. Sometimes I do it on a monthly time frame, but I like to do it when everything lines up because I'm not really chasing options. Because last year, just from being patient, we made over $46,946 alone just selling options. This is not counting capital gain. This is from selling options. And some months we'll make $6,000 and some months we'll only make $2,000 because everything didn't line up. So on the months where everything was lining up for multiple stocks, we was able to enter multiple trades, but we're not going to chase any trade that's not out there for us. That's how you don't become a profitable trader. So this is a strategy that you really need to take your time with and learn. But once it is at the top of the Bollinger Bands and it's oversold on the RSI, we're going to do something called selling a covered call. So we do get assigned shares of Netflix at $84. And let's say Netflix over the next couple weeks did pull all the way back up to $91. Right, then we got the capital gain from 84 to 91. So we got a big capital gain right there. And let's say now we're finally ready to start to sell some of our shares and take some profit, or we could generate profit while we holding on to those shares and we could sell covered calls expiring a month out. So we'll go out to a 0.2 delta again. That's 0.39. Let's look for a 0.2 delta. That's 0.30. All right, so we'll just go up to the $100 one. That's 145. We'll sell a covered call saying that if Netflix goes up to $100, we're comfortable selling our shares at $100. That means we make the capital gain all the way from 84 up to 100. So that's a big capital gain right there. And they're going to pay us a premium of $580 per month. Just from us saying that we want to sell our shares of Netflix that we got at 84, we want to sell them at 100, and we can generate income every single month. And that's what we've been doing inside of the Patreon every single week, every single month, running the wheel strategy. So once again, if you want to check that out, that link is going to be down in the pinned comment section, running the wheel strategy. But yeah, dreamers, if you made it to the end of this video, comment any questions you got that you got about Netflix, or any questions that you got about the wheel strategy, leap options down below. Still a small channel, I'm still able to reply to every single comment, and I really appreciate you guys. You guys already know, comment, give me the loot down in the comment section if you're trying to get that loot. Let me know. But other than that, dreamers, I'm gonna leave a link to Moomoo. If you do want to pick up some free stocks just from signing up and using that platform, you could get up to $1,000 in Nvidia shares, and that is by far the easiest way to get started inside the stock market, is with free shares. But other than that, dreamers, I'm Zeke, bringing you Dream Green Conversations, and I'm out. Peace.
This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. All investments are risk. Do your research. Is not licensed financial advisor. Any third party considering falls under the fair use commentary and analysis. Please consult with a licensed financial advisor or professional in your area before making investment decisions.